Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Use of this or that. This is used for thing that is near and that is used for thing which is far. This, ye, that, wo. Dash is a star. It is near, so this is a star. Tree. That is a tree. Moon. Moon is near, so we use this. This is a moon. Book. Book is far, so we use that is a book. Shark. It is near, we use this here. This is a shark. That is a watch. Bow. This is a bow. That is a soap. Fan is near, so we will use this. This is a fan. This or that. Complete. Buy. This is a buy. We have to write here this. This is used for the thing that is near and that is used for thing that is far. That is a ball. So ball is far here, so we use here that. This is a train. This is a car. That is a plane. This is a go-kart. That is a kite. That is a doll. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.